king, human.
Likey?
My fists are unflinching! You're looking a little lost. Words are meaningless! Now talk with your fists! I always fulfill my contracts. Abandon hope, all ye who enter here. The labyrinth shall never fall. My mission is to protect lives. Stay near to me. You shall become stronger. You cannot beat me. I will only rest when there is peace. Protect the fairy forests. Protect my people. You shall fear me. Charge forward and fear nothing. Outsider, now and tremble.
Despair is punishment for the undead. This sword is called the Oathkeeper. I've come to save you from the nightmare called life. Fidelity, humility, heroic sacrifice. I should be forsaken. Despair is darker than death. My oath means everything to me.
3,000 worlds, and not a single worthy foe. I'll show you what fighting really is. Who here is worthy? These blades are my teeth. And I'm all bite and no bark. The worst thing in the world, having no one to fight. With invincibility comes solitude. Feel my wrath!
Grovel before your king, human.
Experience the euphony of suffering. Behold, my crescendo bullets. Wanna take a look inside? Let's make this quick. I will compose the greatest sonata with your corpse. Your death is music to my ears. Don't even try escaping my sight. I only fight for myself, no one else. My guitar case.
Pain is my greatest gift to you. Revenge. Revenge against the Empire. Your life is no longer yours. Taking your life is too easy. Experience the horror of death. Never beg for your life. Have a taste of my most sinister magic. I possess the most powerful magic. To become my slave is your greatest glory.
No, death is not my end. 10 years of imprisonment, light to darkness, is just a moment away. My head hurts. The world should be enshrouded in darkness. Who stole the blueprints passed down by 1,000 generations? Revenge has consumed me. History has long forgotten me. How can I go back? The Empire can burn! The Empire deserves death!